Hey guys, Mike here with Real Broker. I want to invite you with one of my open house at 5240 Dundas Street in Burlington. Come join me and check out this beautiful condominium. Offers one bedroom, one washroom, and one of my favorite parts of this unit here, guys, is how open this kitchen is. And the kitchen is a full kitchen. It's not one of those kitchen that's just like from IKEA. And this building here actually really close to all the amenities like shops, schools, and walking distance from all the restaurants that you can think of. Come join me this Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4. I'd love to see you guys and check out this beautiful place. Also, I didn't mention that this unit has a very nice gym, has a cold plunge, hot plunge, sauna, and steam room. Come see me this Saturday, Sunday from 2 to 4. Thank you so much and have yourself a wonderful day.